Today we're going to start working on informational text features. So I thought before we did this page, it would be important to go over each of these text features so you know what to look for in your book. So the first one says heading. I'm going to show you some examples of what a heading is in a story. So this right here would be a heading. It's at the start of the informational text. It's going to tell you what it is that you're going to be reading about. This also is another heading, right here and right here. So a heading helps you know what the main idea will be. Our next text feature is called bold print. So the bold print shows what words are important or found in the glossary. So this right here would be your word in bold print. Here is another example of bold print. The text is darker. The next text feature is italics. So italics show that a word is important, and it will have a little bit different font in the writing. So here is another example of italics. Now we're going to work on the word caption. So a caption tells about a photograph or a drawing. So here is an example of a caption. Right underneath the picture, it's telling you what the picture is about. Now we're going to work on the word diagram. So this is an example of a diagram. A diagram organizes, compares, or explains information in a visual way. So you can see that it's organizing all of the information here in a visual way. Now we're going to work on the word label. As you can see in this picture, these are all labels. They point directly to the object and tell you what it is. All right, now we're going to talk about graphs and tables. So I showed this earlier for diagrams. Graphs and tables organize, compare, or explain information in a visual way. So here is another type of graph and chart. Our last text feature that we need to cover is map. So here is an example of a map. Map shows where places, landforms, and bodies of water are. Here is an example of a map.